Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson in geography, that is lesson 5, Industries. Now, in this chapter, we are going to understand the meaning of manufacturing and what is the meaning of industry. Then we will see the various kinds of industry, that is under the heading classification of industries, then factors affecting the location of industries, industrial regions of India and the world, and the distribution of major industries. Then we'll make a comparative study between the two countries with reference to iron and steel industry, cotton textile industry, and IT industry. So let's start our lesson. We will first start with the word manufacturing. What does it means? Manufacturing refers to the conversion of raw materials into articles of utility. We can take the example like conversion of iron ore into tools and implements, cotton into cotton textile, gold into gold jewelry, wood pulp into paper manufacturing, etc. Now let's understand the meaning of an industry. An industry is an economic activity that deals with large scale production of goods with the help of machines and various other services. Some of the examples of industry are automobile industry, then extraction of crude oil, and the hospitality industry. These are some of the examples. Now, manufacturing industry, they convert raw materials into valuable goods and they add value to the product. Now, these industries are of great help. They help in generating large scale employment and they reduce the dependence on agriculture. At the same time, they also help in removal of poverty. Then export of manufactured goods also helps to earn the valuable foreign exchange. So we can say that industries are very important for the economic development of the country. Now we will see the classification of industries. Now classification of industries can will be on the basis of raw material, size and ownership. So first classification of industry we will take based on raw materials. Industries, they utilize different types of raw materials, like there are industries which are called as agro based, mineral based industry, forest based industry, and marine based. So let's take them one by one. Agro based industries, they process agricultural raw materials like cotton textile, sugar industry, vegetable oil industry, etc. Then mineral based industries, they derive their raw materials from minerals like iron and steel, then chemicals, fertilizers, cement, etc. Then we come to the forest based industries. Now these industries, they use forest product as a raw material. For example, we can take paper, furniture, pharmaceuticals and construction. Then marine based industries, they utilize products from oceans and seas as raw materials, like the manufacture of seafood, fish oil, manufacturing of jewelry from pearls and other precious stones. Now children, we will take the second classification of industries, which is based on size. So on the basis of size we can classify the industries as large scale industry and small scale industry. Now large scale industry, they use lot of raw material and capital is more than 1 crore rupees. Labor also is used and power is used to produce goods on large scale. Whereas on the other hand, small scale industries, they consume less raw materials, labor, power and capital is of generally less than 1 crore rupees. Now, iron and steel industry and automobile industries are the example of large scale industry, whereas the manufacture of silk textile and food processing industries are the example of small scale industries. Now we will take the third classification, that is based on ownership. Now industries can be classified into public, private, joint and cooperative sector based on ownership. So public sector industries, they are owned and run by either the state government or the central government or their agencies. We can take the example of Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited. Then the second one is joint sector industries. Now these are owned and operated by the state and the individuals or group of individuals. The example we can take as iron and steel industry at Bhilai, Bokaro and Maruti Udyog Limited. These are the example of joint sector industries. Then we come to the private sector industries. They are owned and run by an individual or individuals, and we can take the example of Reliance, then Bajaj Scooters, Tisco, etc. Then comes the cooperative sector industries. Now these are run by cooperative societies or by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers or both. So we can take the example over here as dairy cooperative, cotton textile and sugar mill.